Alright, so the birds get some good stuff today. We've got strawberries, pizza bones, eggs, bacon, chicken, animal protein. We've got fruits in here, bell peppers, you got some vegetables, all sorts of good stuff. The birds are ready for a nice red snack. Fresh strawberries. Ooh, that looks like a little mozzarella cheese. So today we are going to my favorite chicken store, Lewis and Clark's. Alright, so before we make it to the chicken store, my son wanted to go to the Pacific Ocean Market because he wants to celebrate Chinese New Year.
I mean,
It's a golden rooster. Really expensive for some chicken's feet.
What?
$4.50. $2.99.
Yeah, I want to look for.
Yeah.
So I
We're gonna
don't
need to go
get
inside.
into the gift shop.
Okay.
Your daughter is.
My son had to go to the bathroom, and we're actually in the bathroom at the church. This is amazing. Here's the water heater. So funny. So now we're heading to Lewis and Clark's to get pounds of feed. Lewis and Clark's. Lewis and Clark is a great store promoted to backyard, birds, chickens, rabbits, all that good stuff. Peas. Howdy. Oh, like always, there's that swing.
Well, these are 50-pounders.
Sweet.
10 pounds out of one of these into the bin.
Cool. So if you live in the Denver area or Littleton, I highly suggest you guys make it over here to Lewis and Clark. Best staff and absolutely fantastic selection of corn-free, soy-free, organic feeds for your flock, feeds for your rabbits. I think they even have stuff for horses, so looks like a bird bath. Pretty cool, huh? It'll work. This is Pete. He owns Lewis and Clark. Again, if you are in the Littleton area, this is the place to be. Great staff, great store, and support local businesses. So. Oh yeah. All right. There you go. Right. Take it easy, Pete.
Thanks, you too.
Say bye to the chicken now.
Bye, chicken.
So the birds get a little extra food today. This is some leftovers from the Pacific Ocean Market adventure today. My birds have never had tofu before. Here's that base feed, crumbles. Not what I really want to feed my chickens only, right? Now this feed, way different than the crumbles. Look at that. Let's see what's in here. Organic wheat, #1. Organic lentils, organic flaxseed, organic peas, organic milk. You know what? I'm not gonna say organic. It's certified organic, so just assume it's all organic. Okay. Calcium carbonate, organic alfalfa seed, fish meal, organic molasses, poultry premix, all sorts of great vitamin supplements, cayenne pepper, orange peel powder, dandelion root, dandelions, cloves, sage, peppermint, fennel, hops, parsley, thyme. lemongrass, elderflower, chamomile flowers, licorice, basil, and ginger. Organic rice bran, granite dust. By the way, chickens need to eat grit, which is rocks, so putting food on the ground is good for them. They want to eat that sand. See how chickens digest their food? They don't have teeth. They can't chew it. So their gizzards, delicious fried, their gizzards crunch up all the food in their stomach. Well, they need something to grind it, and those somethings are little stones and grit that they eat. So they process their food in their gut. Bottom line, oh, and salt. This is such a unique food blend. And really, truthfully, the only place I've ever seen it is Lewis and Clark. If you care about what your birds eat, if you care about the quality of food that you get from your birds, you've got to go by Lewis and Clark. This is an incredible feed. Alright, so I've got 40 some odd pounds of this, which is what I prefer. But I also have 40 pounds of this other mixture. Part of that's just to alleviate the cost. This is 64 cents a pound. For what it is, that is incredible. The quality of food, you cannot beat that price. If you can afford it, go on all this plus animal protein, which is in this. All right, there's animal protein in here. But if you could do this and then scraps, your birds are going to have such a good diet. You're going to have such high quality eggs. What I'm going to do now, take my giant spoon here and just mix this stuff up. Normally I like to do 100 pounds of food at a time. We're at about 80. Top off the chickens. You saw it earlier this week. I went ahead and shoveled around the coop. When you're walking back and forth in the coop in Colorado, heats up during the day, gets wet, freezes at night. You're going to be dealing with all that ice. Yesterday we had 6 eggs. Unfortunately, things balanced out. And today we only have 4. Averaging at 5 a day for the past couple days, that's pretty good. I'll still take that. It's better than 2. Oop. What's up, chicken? You want in the house, don't you? You ain't coming in here.